Then 7 days ago, another war started. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today in the daily newspaper on Monday. Yes, new week, new puzzles. Monday, January the 22nd, 2024. We have here three puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, and a binary. We have not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. In the weekend edition we have in the puzzle page 2 puzzles left. In the additional of Sunday we have 3 puzzles left. So 5 puzzles I will do in the evening. But first, let me start with these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 7845. Yeah, 7845. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, this should be a 2 stars puzzle, but it's indicated with 3 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can pick. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column? So the column next now, only place level 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Then how about the number 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, the only place level 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers in the last column is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in the last column could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 6 should be there. Then need a 6 here. Okay. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6. Oh wait, 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 6 and the 1. We have 6 and the 1 in the second column, so no 6 and the 1 in these 3 boxes. 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 1, 6 and the 1. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, alright, 6, 6, cannot continue with the 6 now. How about this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. Here 7 in this row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then let me see. 4 and 3. Okay. We well, come on. 3, need a 3 here, and I need a need a 9 here. 8, need an 8 here. Well, In this big square we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. And I need an 8 there, yeah. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next, so that column, no, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. Here and 8 in the row above, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in the last row, so no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2, 2, okay. Then 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 2, 2, okay. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 9 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Well, we need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the second column. 3, 4, 8. Yeah, we need a 4. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. So the only place left, the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. The 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. How about a 9 in this row? 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the third row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the last column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. How about the 8 then? And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 8. Well, 5 and 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 this second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. I need a 5 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the last column. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So the first row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And the final number in this big square for the bar. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, finish in 12 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. So it should be at 0 stars. And if you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. The 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.